29 March, around 1 o'clock. So my daughter Sasa asked her dad to make chicken curry. I've been procrastinating about cooking it. So she asked me again, so I said, okay, I'll cook it. So cooking curry chicken, I've done it when I was a cook. And I learned how to cook in a restaurant. So anyway, this curry, chicken curry is simple. Garlic, everybody knows garlic, ginger, one whole piece of onions, white onions, and however many you like to carrots and potatoes and chicken and curry, salt. So I'm not showing anyone how to cut carrots and potatoes. Everybody knows that, how to do that, and mince and dice garlic and ginger and onions, cutting meat. People know how to do that. So cooking this curry chicken will be brief, although the time to cook itself will take a while, but I'm making it brief. I'm using a wok to cook the chicken first. So I'm going to put oil and then garlic. I'll put some onion. No, I'll put some pepper and then put the chicken, and then after that add the ginger and then simmer until chicken is cooked. So here it is with the chicken. I really like the wok to be really hot to the point of smoking. While smoking, add the pepper and then add oil and then throw in the garlic. And then throw in the chicken, stir it a few times and then add the ginger. And of course, I have a dash of salt. Now after years of cooking, you know how much salt to put in. So, I'm not going to measure it for you. Add water. I mean, it's the chicken is about submerged, and then cover it. Let it cook. Let the water do its job. I want the chicken taste to come out. That should take about 15 minutes. I'm gonna time it from here. Oh yeah, I forgot to put it on low heat. Gotta put it on low heat. So low heat. Oops, darn it. Okay, slowly. There. Don't want it overcook. The chicken tend tough if you overcook it with high heat. So let it simmer. So after 15 minutes, the chicken is tender. And just do a touchy-feely on the chicken. I mean, if it's soft, then it's cooked. It's time to throw in the curry. Depending on the taste of curry you like, you can just use the entire sachet or as needed. But I like it to be like curry. I opened the sachet a little bit more so I can put it in. I mean, quite frankly, if you haven't done curry before, don't do what I did. You might not like it. It's hot. So I throw in the potato and carrots and let it cook. The longer you cook the potato, the more thick the sauce will end up being. So that's how I like it, the sauce to be thick. If it's not thick enough, then always add in a cornstarch to thicken it up. And let it cook, simmer, no high heat here. I add a little bit more water. As it cooks, the water will evaporate and as it does that, the sauce will thicken. So once the sharp edges of the potato are no longer there, then that's how you can tell that it's ready to be served. But before you do that, add in the onions. I'm gonna add it later. I don't want it to be too squishy. I don't like it too squishy. So I'll add the onion last. Oh yeah, add the taste. I mean, if it's not salty enough, then just add more salt. So I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, look like it need a little bit more salt. So again, years of experience, you'll know how much salt to add. The potato is almost done. Actually, it is done. It's soft. The potato and carrot edges, they're gone. They're smooth, and the thing is thick enough. So now it's time to add the onions. I didn't put a lot of onions. It's just for taste, just to say that there's onions. So now let it cool and then serve. I prepare it hot, but anyway, my daughter will be home around 5, 6 o'clock, so it'll be simmering here. I mean, cooling in the pot. So it's done. That's how you do it. I mean, this thing took about, let's see, let me just check. This whole thing took about an hour from start to finish. So it's not long. So yeah, you could do this. It's really tasty.